Good morning class, this is your science class and today we are going to read lesson 6 and continue from the topic safety on the road. Safety on the road. It is very important to be careful while walking on the road. Always walk on the footpath or pavement on the safe side of the road. Okay? Cross every time you have to remember this that when you crossing the road by the zebra crossing. Okay? Before crossing, first look to your first right, then look to your left, and then again look to your right, and then cross the road. Okay? If there is a subway, use it to cross the road. Never play on the road, never run on the road. Okay? And remember one thing more, that never get in or out from the moving vehicle or bus. Okay? Do not put your hands or head by the window while traveling on bus, car, etc. Okay? Do not stand on the footpath of the bus. Okay? In today's world, one more thing more we have to know and remember, that don't use your mobile phones while walking on the road. Okay? So I am going to write some important points on the board. Never play on the road. Do not put your hands or head while traveling in car or bus. Do not use mobile phone while walking on the road. Moving bus. Okay, so remember these points always while you are on a road. Okay. Now the next topic is first aid. Now students, you know what is the meaning of first aid? I tell you in previous class, the first aid means प्राथमिक उपचार, right? So the first aid is the immediate help given to an injured person before the arrival of an adult or a doctor. Okay, proper first aid can minimize the accident. What you can do is, okay, so the first aid means that मान लो आपको कोई आप कहीं से गिर गए हैं या आपको खेलते समय चोट लग गई है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट एड क्या करता है कि किसी जब तक आप किसी आपको कोई बड़ा व्यक्ति नहीं आ जाता आपके पास में या डॉक्टर नहीं आ जाता तब तक उस फर्स्ट एड की वजह से आपके जो आपका चोट लगी है उसको मान लो ब्लड निकल रहा है तो उसको बहने से रोक दिया जाए और डॉक्टर के आने के बाद में आपको ठीक तरह से पट्टी वगैरह सब करवा दिया जाए इस वजह से. ओके, तो फर्स्ट एड क्या होता है? किसी डॉक्टर के आने से पहले हमें जो हमारा इलाज जो हमारा एक्सीडेंट हुआ है उसको हमें कम किया जा सके डॉक्टर के आने तक. ओके, सो कुछ पॉइंट्स को ध्यान में रखना है जैसे कि ओके, डू नॉट गेट पैनिक. When something happen, then do not panic. घबराना नहीं है. And do not make a crowd. Around the hurt person मीन्स ज्यादा भीड़ मत लगाइए जिस उस व्यक्ति के आसपास जिसको चोट लगी है. What you can do for with the hurt person that lay the injured person carefully under the shade of tree or something like that, okay, and give him some water to drink. And if you notice some bleeding, then wash it with a cotton, okay, and cotton and Dettol. Use cotton and Dettol for stop the bleeding, okay. After washing it, press the wound and tie a clean handkerchief, okay. It means आपके पास कोई रुमाल हो या कोई कपड़ा वगैरह हो जिससे आप उसको बांध दीजिए, ओके, सो जिससे कि खून रुक जाए. And then ask an adult to take the injured person to a doctor or some hospital and to inform his or her family. आप उसके आप अगर आप छोटे हैं तो किसी बड़े व्यक्ति को आप बुलाइए, उससे कहिए कि इसे डॉक्टर के पास ले चलें और उसके या उसके फैमिली मेम्बर्स को इन्फॉर्म कर दें. सो दीज आर सम पॉइंट्स you have to remember for giving first aid to someone, okay. This is the summary of your chapter, okay, and your lesson is completed. So try to find out the exercise, okay. Read full lesson and we will meet in next class.